Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Credit One account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and the default search engine. Then search Credit One. Credit One Bank Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to www.creditonebank.com. It will then take you to the official website of Credit One. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your username on the right side of the screen. Then enter your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to sign in. And you should be able to access your Credit One Bank account. If you have forgot your username or password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Username or Forgot Password. To make login easier for next time, you can click to Remember My Browser so I can sign in faster. But I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.